Hey there, welcome back to Milk Matters USA. If your baby suddenly stops nursing to stare at the ceiling fan, or turns their head every time the dog barks, yep, you've got yourself a distracted baby. Feeding time can go from peaceful to full-blown circus real fast, and it can be so frustrating. But don't worry, in today's video, we're talking all about how to handle distracted babies during feeding. Let's dive right in. Why do babies get distracted? First of all, it's totally normal. As babies grow, their brains are developing at lightning speed. By around 3 to 6 months, they start noticing the world around them. Every sound, light, and movement is like a mini fireworks show. So if your baby's turning away during feeding, they're not trying to make you crazy. They're just curious little explorers. Tip number 1. Find a calm environment. Let's start with the basics, your feeding setup. If your TV's on, your toddler's yelling, or the room's too bright, your baby might be too distracted to focus on eating. Try feeding in a quiet, low-stimulation spot. That might mean dimming the lights, turning off screens, or even using white noise in the background. A calm baby equals a more focused feeder. Tip number 2. Use a nursing cover or light blanket. If you're breastfeeding and out in public, try using a lightweight nursing cover or a muslin blanket draped over your shoulder. It's not just for privacy, it blocks out visual distractions too. And don't worry, some babies don't like being covered. Totally fine. Just adjust based on what your baby prefers. Tip number 3. Maintain eye contact. This one's powerful, eye contact. Looking into your baby's eyes while feeding helps them stay connected and focused. You're their safe space, and your gaze can help bring their attention back when they drift off. Plus, it's just a sweet bonding moment. Tip number 4. Try gentle touch or talking. If your baby keeps popping off the bottle or breast, try gently stroking their back, rubbing their cheek, or softly talking to them. A calm, soothing voice like, "You're doing great, sweetie," or "Let's finish your milk, love," can help settle them down and get them refocused. Just like adults, babies sometimes need a little gentle nudge to get back on task. Tip number 5. Feed before they're super hungry. Here's the thing, if your baby is too hungry, they might get fussy and overstimulated. On the flip side, if they're not hungry enough, they're more interested in everything else. So watch for early hunger cues like smacking lips, rooting, or putting hands in their mouth, and try feeding before they hit full meltdown mode. Tip number 6. Change positions. Sometimes all you need is a simple change. Try switching feeding positions, cradle hold, side lying, or upright, especially if your baby has reflux. A new angle might help them focus better and stay latched longer. Bonus tip. Don't force it. If your baby's just not feeling it, take a break. Trying to force feeding usually backfires. Wait a few minutes, do a little cuddle, change the scenery, then try again. Feeding should be calm and positive, not a power struggle. Closing scene. Host speaking directly to camera. So there you have it, a bunch of real-life tips to help you handle those distracted feeding moments like a pro. And remember, every baby's different. What works for one may not work for another, and that's okay. You've got this. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Milk Matters USA, and share this with another parent who could use a little support. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with more baby tips that make feeding feel a lot less overwhelming. Yellow heart, stay patient, stay gentle, and keep those bottles, or boobies, flowing. Subscribe button. Watch more videos, Milk Matters USA logo.